Hey everyone, this is Brian from Provision Studios, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Comica BoomX-U microphone. This is a wireless microphone set. It has one receiver and two transmitters. So this can be set up as an on-camera audio, where this would replace your onboard microphone, and you could have a transmitter set on someone you're interviewing. They also come with their own lapels or lavalier microphones. So not only do you get the transmitter units, but the transmitters have a built-in microphone as well as a lapel or lavalier microphone that you could connect to those. So let's give this a quick unboxing so we can take a look at what's inside. Alright, so inside it comes with this nice carry bag. So inside the top portion are some of the accessories. These are the lavaliers. Right, that's all that's in this top pouch. And then inside of here, we have the instruction manual. And we have the actual transmitters and the receiver. So, you've got the two transmitters and then the receiver. So, it actually powered up, and it's telling me it has a full charge. So, pretty cool. So why don't we give this a quick test. So it's already recognizing this as Unit B, and it's telling me this has a full battery. I'm getting an onboard audio level on that. So let me take this real quick and plug this into the camera. So let me see. This looks like this is the camera. All right. So give me 1 second while I plug the receiver into my camera's audio port, and we'll be able to switch from my off-camera audio to the Comica BoomX-U and be able to compare it, how they sound. Okay, so I've got the audio recording on my off-camera audio, and I've also got the audio recording on the into the camera now through the the Comica BoomX-U. Let me open up one of the lav mics here. So we've got the audio being captured here, but let me see about getting the audio captured through the microphone as well. So we'll be able to compare both. Okay, so I just switched to the lavalier microphone that is right here. So that's the audio now being captured through the Comica BoomX-U transmitter with the lavalier microphone. So that's how that sounds. All right. So now I'm going to take the transmitter and I'm going to take the receiver and connect it to my audio interface and hear how that sounds. We're going to do that with the provided XLR connector. So give me 1 minute while I connect that up. Okay, so I have the audio now going through the Comica BoomX-U's transmitter via the lapel mic directly into my audio recorder. And I'm also capturing the audio from my overhead microphone, which is going directly into my audio interface as well. So we're going to be able to hear both being recorded at the same time, one through the Comica BoomX-U audio interface or audio transmitter and my overhead microphone. So let's go give those both a listen, and then we can come back and give our evaluation of how it sounds. Okay, let's check that out. All right, so I think the audio speaks for itself. These nice little transmitters, microphone transmitters, are very nice. During that audio test, I actually took the one that I had powered on off. I had it here. I took it off to connect the lapel or the lavalier mic to it. And when it went from here to here, the audio that the microphone captured was still very good. So this almost can be used as an off-camera audio source with the microphone that's built in, or even I would maybe even venture a handheld. Maybe I'm not too sure about all that yet, but I am impressed. The unit I have is the U2 unit, so it comes with 2 transmitters, and you have the 1 receiver, which I have right now connected directly to my audio interface. So I'm going direct in, capturing my audio inside of Logic Pro through my audio interface, while I'm also capturing the audio on my camera, and I'm going to marry the 2 inside of DaVinci Resolve when I go to edit this video. But I am definitely impressed with the audio quality of the Comica BoomX-U transmitter and receivers. Right now I have the lavalier mic is on, and they connect right to the top of the transmitters. There is also a high pass filter built in. I do not have that enabled right now, but I didn't have it turned on the initial testing of the audio, so I didn't want to confuse the two, have it on one test and not on the other. My overhead mic that I have been using for pretty much all my videos is a Audix F9, and I'm probably going to stop using that now because I really like how the audio sounds on these. The reason why I bought these is my other lavalier mic that I had, which was a wireless system, it wouldn't hold a charge anymore. So the once the battery died on it, I just stopped using it. I'm sure I probably could have gotten it repaired, but the cost of this system really was nothing compared to, I think, the value of a new upgraded system got me presently. So the old system I had was I've had it. I had it for almost 10 years. So it was nice. It served its purpose, but it was only a single transmitter and a single receiver. Not that I needed more than one receiver, but what I'm saying is I had a single audio source. With the receiver on the BoomX-U, you get two lines into your audio, into the receiver. So you can transmit two frequencies. You can transmit your A transmitter and your B transmitter as two separate signals into the receiver. So you can have a left and a right signal, and then you can take those and work with them inside your editor to keep and have them leveled and all. You can also do leveling on the receiver itself by adjusting the gain from the transmitter into the receiver. So a lot of nice features with the Comica BoomX-U. I highly recommend it. I'm glad I got it, and I will be using it for my audio and my videos from now on. Even if it is my audio that I'm capturing over at my my recording desk, or I do all my audio recording, I'll probably be using this as well, into plug directly into my console. So yes, very satisfied with the Comica BoomX-U. Again, this is the U2 unit. So this has the two transmitters. If you guys have any questions or comments about anything I showed here today, please feel free to leave that in the comments section below, or you could always email me at bbuck822@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I will talk to you guys at the next video, okay? Thank you very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye now.